Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. You putting me through.
Close-up here, you have like the sky and the close-up, so you can compare at the same time. Look, a beam. So the photo at the center is like the close-up, and then you see the close-up of the sky as well. And the beam comes from that charging energy, whatever you want to call that energy, into that device. And it says Hyboria Alaska that there's a total of 1,600 machines like these all across the world, on land and on ships. So both on land, for land and ships. Look at this. Beam, piercing through the skies. And what's weather like in the skies? So this is the internal part, so you can compare. So this is from the outside and this is from the inside. Lots of focusing energy and charging energy there inside. And this in Spanish says, let's, well, they'll need to see it because it's in Spanish anyway. From here, this is where those typical trumpet sounds that you hear, like you've seen videos from the United States and Canada and Australia and Europe and other places. You see these trumpet type of thing sounds. You listen in the skies, and people are asking, so where do these sounds come from, especially in the early hours of the morning, or like in the late evenings, during the night. So the trumpet-like sounds comes from here, when these things are charging energy, and there's 1,600 of them across the world. Of course, the world is not a globe spinning in space with curvature. Now we have these things here, these blue-colored things in the middle of the places where you have the fires and stuff. So Hey, this is from Hyboria. So here in Antarctica, you have these houses and they're painted with blue. Why would you paint them with blue? This whole thing I painted with blue to be seen from the skies, from above, from where the drones are flying and stuff. And this is something they found on the bottom of the water. It has to do with like airplanes from the Second World War in Antarctica. Hey, Admiral Byrd. And this is airplanes flying over Antarctica, because Antarctica is not the continent you see on the spinning ball Earth with curved water and stuff. And this is military operations in Antarctica. Oh, the lands and the continents of the islands from Russia, from America, from Germany, from other parts of the world. Hey, I wonder why